Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. Tonight I am going to share a few things that I picked up from Spirit and the Funko Shop, and then open up a little Universal Monsters Spirit package. First off, I'd like to share with you what we picked up in Minneapolis at Crypticon from Trick or Treat Studios' booth. Got this puzzle here, Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein's monster. As you can see, that pretty cool. It is a 1,000-piece puzzle. And then I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Funko Shop, but I don't collect a lot of Funkos, but this was kind of cool. You can make your own Funko of yourself, and you got some options. And now they have a Halloween variation. So I made Paula and I as Funko Halloween. And you can see Halloween Paula is a mummy with her little trick-or-treat pumpkin basket and her little ghost. So these are available to order from the Funko Shop. And here's my variation. I've got a little skeleton suit with a snake and a skull and a vial of poison. They were just kind of cool. Picked those up. Ordered them actually. And I went to Spirit Halloween tonight. They had restocked some stuff in Myatt. And I've never been huge into masks, but I am a fan of Rob Zombie's movies, so I picked up this. And I really like Sid Haig, so I got this, used the 20% off coupon as well. But I had to pick this up. It was just too tempting. Pretty cool. Alright, so the last thing that I was going to share with you is another one of these Universal Monsters. And you know, I've been trying to get the creature, and I don't know what the variants are, but I was trying to get the creature. So let's see what I get tonight. Last time we got the Bride of Frankenstein, and it's like a little tag for a bag. Alright, let's see what we got here. Look at it, try to show everybody. Oh, we got the Bride of Frankenstein, which is still pretty cool. And I don't know. Oh, that is one of the exclusives. So if you look at it, exclusive B, we've got one of what would be a chase or a variant. And there is one other one, exclusive A. So, pretty cool. Alright, that's everything I've got for you tonight. So, hopefully you can like, subscribe, and share. And we can continue to do these videos for you guys. So, hopefully you have a good night. Thanks.